Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can create this motion graphic text animation inside Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First I will select this rectangle tool and make a rectangle shape right here. Then simply just zoom it a bit. Then go to fill and adjust the color you want. I want this color, so I will simply choose this one right here. It's looking good, so I will just simply drag it to the length of my animation. Then simply select the text tool and add a new text layer. So I will just simply create a nest and then click on the text layer and type in your text, and you can change the font from here. Now what we need to do is just extend it right here and then disable the fill and enable the stroke like this, and simply bring it down to the middle like this. Adjust the scale if you want. Now I will see it's looking good, but I will just make sure to change the stroke size. 3 was looking good, so I will change it back to 3. You can just simply try other values as well. 5 is also looking very good, so I will just make its copy and make 2 or 3 copies like this. Now once I have made copies, I will just simply this is our base layer, so I will lock it like this, and for these all layers I will just simply disable the stroke and enable the fill option. And for the last one I will do the same, and for these two like this. So let's animate this part, then we will move on to the next part. Now to animate this, I will just simply unhide it and select this layer. Add a position keyframe at the start, move a few frames like this. I will just simply drag this to 2 seconds like this one, and then simply drag this down, place it right here, then select the other one, add this keyframe, and for this I will just simply here and then again add this keyframe, move this to the start and simply paste it right here. Now we will just smooth it, so select these both keyframes and then ease in, and for these as well simply ease in, and for these two ease in. I will just simply need to adjust the spacing between these. Now it's looking good. So this is our animation for now like this. Now for this one I will just copy the main layer and make it upwards. This one, make it 3 copies, or first I will just enable the fill and disable the stroke like this and simply unhide the layer. Now make it like this to make sure this shows like here, and I will just, this is our V7, so I will just select this and mark our position 2, then move here, add a position keyframe, move this to the start as well, and then simply bring it upwards like this. Then I will select this one, add a position keyframe, move this to the start and simply place it here. Again do the same with the other layer as well, so I will just make sure to hit it there, and as you can see our animation is ready. I will just simply go here and then select both keyframes and then ease in, and then these two as well ease in, also this and this one too. So this is our simple motion graphic text animation you can create in Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.